Shalom, what it is, people. We in the gym today. It's a lot of music going on in here, so therefore, we're not gonna be much talking. I might be some talk over or something like that, but Saturday, nothing crazy. Uh, Full body. We ain't doing nothing crazy. I'm messing around with them kettlebells now. Something new I started, and I'm feeling them. I'm feeling the kettlebell. So that's my new thing. Kettlebell hit. So if y'all want to follow this, go ahead and follow this. Uh, We got kettlebell swing, push-ups, dumbbell row, jump rope. No, I'm not doing jump rope. Russian twist, leg raise. Nothing hard. Simple.
Prime time Lando, yeah we dip on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the flags them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando.
Hey. Subject of the day, the garden. We're gonna talk about the garden, right? When it comes to the garden, I'm talking about your brain. This is what we talk about today. That's why we're gonna stick to the garden. Care for what you plant in your garden. Depending on what you plant in your garden, that's what you will reap, right? You plant positive stuff, healthy stuff in your garden, that's what you will reap. Negative, exactly, if you don't plant nothing, you get weeds. The garden. That's the topic today. Yeah. When you intentionally plug thoughts in your mind, you get the result. Now we know that. I live off the good book. What the good book say? Oh yeah, we own that today. As a man thinketh, so is he. So what that says, to me, this is what I'm getting. That thought. Be intentional about what you plug into your thoughts. Be intentional about what you plant in your garden. Remember, your thoughts is your garden. Plant the right seed. Plant the right fruits, vegetables, so you can grow. Positivity, that's what we on today. I mean. All right. When you intentionally choose thoughts of growth, faith, the possibility to change, why? Because those are the seeds that you're planting in your garden. Positive thinking, people. That's what we on. Be intentional about whatever you're doing. Keep it positive. You are a reflection of your thoughts right now. If you believe you can do it, you can do it. All right, we got a Russian twist, y'all. Don't laugh at my Russian twist. I'm still working on my balance with it. Don't laugh at me. I got a lot of ball this time. Maybe that'll make me balance more. That even seemed too light. But we're gonna work on our balance first before I go up. I'm working on it. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. But we locked in. All right. Last ab workout, y'all. Can y'all tell? I try to get at least a couple packs going. Not for this summer. Next summer. But if we come out this summer, I take it. I take it. Next summer is a big earth strong. You know? Or it's that road. Yeah. Next remember I said it right here. Next year, I'm gonna be in the best shape of my life. I'm talking about I've been in shape majority of my life. A little chubby right now, but I said best shape. Come on now, stop playing with me. All right, people. This is how we're going to end it off, though. We're going to end it off with some Stairmaster. Let me set my watch. That's what we're going to end it off with. Stairmaster. Try to do it at least 10 minutes. You ain't got to be nothing crazy as long as we moving, baby. My question is to you, do we get better today? If you ain't get better, time to get better, right? Did y'all get anything out of this video? You know? My goal is to keep moving. No matter what speed you're going, keep moving, right? We talk about the garden today, right? So what I say is start paying attention to your thoughts. You repeat every day. When negative thoughts appear, you got to challenge them. Replace them thoughts with that support growth, discipline, faith. Now remember, your mind is a garden. Plant carefully. Say that again, Lando. Plant carefully. Your mind is a garden. Question. Drop down in the comments. What thoughts dominate your mind most often? Drop it in the comments. And another thing is, are those thoughts helping your future or limiting it? That's a great question. All right? Are those thoughts helping your future or limiting it? What new thoughts could you begin planting starting today? That's the question of the day. What new thoughts could you begin planting in your garden starting today? You gotta water your garden, plant the right seeds in your garden. Like this. I might name this video The Garden. Drop down in the comments. Drop something positive. Either way, guys. So we're gonna do about 10 minutes on this. I might do 25, 22, who knows? And that's it. We're gonna start the day. This is how I'm starting my Saturday. Or whatever day it is. Right? It's your boy Lando. I am your man. Go.
God blessings flow like rain, dry.